Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad, and today we're working on some cleanup. Actually, we've been working on cleanup since the scrap video recently, and this is kind of a continuation of it. Let me show you. So we did some trimming along here, and I just used the leaf blower on it to get the stuff off the track. Johnny is over there and raking up all that stuff. We let it dry for a few days because, well, had other things to do. But, well, in the meantime, we have a much cleaner area, much nicer to deal with, and I'm going to start mowing this. Alright, so I've got this here. I just pulled up with my foot here. There's more right here. So we've got wood that's been rotting into the ground here. We've got to dig that up, throw it in the compost or something, and I'm going to have to come back to this in a little while, maybe this evening or something. I have a client who's off the air, so I need to go to work now. Well, it's later in the day. I'm back from putting the radio station back on the air. Right down here we have parts of an old snowblower that didn't end up going with the scrap people. Got an old battery that I've got to take to get recycled. Got some old pieces of steel, and I've got some signposts. It's right here. This was a work area signpost. I think it may be again. I'll just straighten it out. Paint the targets again. Oh, look down here. Yep.
That's wood.
It's
or
wood.
Was at one point.
Yeah. Well, I've got to level this out. Get rid of what's left of this wood. Just kind of clean it up.
If I may ask, what was that wood?
It was a stack of wood.
Oh.
Building materials for a project I never got to. One portable burn barrel.
It's our mobile incineration unit. It's a ring out of a washer machine. So Jared has another game.
What do you think? We're sending smoke signals? Yeah, I think it's more like smoke signals.
All I can think of now is, oh,
you can't do that on YouTube.
I never said I was a nice person.
You know, I'm starting to have second thoughts about filling it so full. I mean, maybe I should have just lit it on fire on the ground. Oh well. Well, we have fire.
Looks like a happy fire to me.
It's a happy fire, but
a happy fire is a dangerous fire.
My fire runneth over. I guess I gotta rake this.
Hey, your fire's leaking.
Here, hold my beer. I mean, camera. Yeah, here. Hold my camera.
Here, I'll hold your camera.
This is called controlling the burn.
What's the term for it? A burn break?
Fire break.
Fire break.
Making a fire break. Brother, do we need it?
Yeah. Looks like you're getting a little toasty there.
Getting a bit warm over here.
I was about to grab a piece of rebar for that. Oh, and there it goes. Did you purposely knock those off?
Yeah, they didn't need to be on top like that.
Oh, okay.
They only cause problems.
And now we see the proper way to pick up a load of sticks and stuff to throw it in a fire.
I don't know about proper, but this is my way.
Well, I've been doing that as long as I can remember.
Keeps my fingers from getting toasty.
You know, there's a movie about a mask. He says something in that movie. Reminds me a lot about, like, what we're doing.
Well,
yeah.
Wouldn't know. I don't watch movies. Trying to keep my knuckle hairs and, you know, these flaming locks. Oh, I don't want them to be flaming, but anyway.
I'm going to put in the captions, exasperated sigh.
Were you editing this one?
I don't know yet. Probably not.
There we go. Isn't there a song lyric, something about with flaming locks of auburn hair, ivory skin and eyes of emerald green, or something like that? No, it can't be.
Sounds
I'm imagining it.
Sounds familiar, but I don't know music well enough to understand. Who knew a washer ring could be so efficient as a fire pit?
Not a ring, it's a washer barrel.
Oh, barrel. Yeah, a ring wouldn't be all that efficient, would it?
No, it wouldn't.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfying would you say this is to finally burn and get rid of all this junk?
Not quite as satisfying as finishing the turntable pit or finishing the ballast hopper, but a close third.
Close third? Okay.
That's our video for today, I guess. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Is it smash it? Yeah.
I don't know.
Smash it.
I thought it was smash the like button, but likes and...
Punch it. Punch it like a boss.
Kick it, like this!
If you want to see these videos early, you go over to Patreon. Paying members to Patreon, that is paid members to Patreon, get to see stuff early. And non-paid members on Patreon, they get to see things at random, but they still get to see some things.
Plus, we're a little bit more responsive on Patreon. We talk about shop stuff there.
Tend to be, yeah. We talk about all kinds of things over on Patreon. Like the ongoing, never-ending saga of the ballast hopper. I'd like to finish that at some point.
It'll ride the rails one day.
One day. It's one of those projects that keeps going on and on and on and on.
Yeah, watch your head. Watch your head again.
a lot more stuff there than I thought. Let's see, what have I got to do now? I think I got to do some raking, mowing. Mowing's going to be last, but raking, I think that's coming up. I've still got a pile of wood that I've got to pick up. Here, you use Cindy. You know about Cindy, right?
You don't have to always make that joke.
Cindy, our loppers. Well, there we go. Now we're just waiting for the scrap people to show up, and when they do, this will all be cleaned up. We'll get the burn barrel out of there. It's a portable burn barrel, so we use it in various places. So, well, we went from not being able to find anything that was in here to finding all the sorts of stuff that was in here. Getting rid of, what, 3 loads of junk, and have a much nicer area now. There we go. And that's why cleanup is so satisfying. So thanks for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe for more content, more railroading content than what we did on this one. And if you want to see videos as soon as they come up, as soon as we upload them, we put them up on Patreon. Paid members get early access, and we make them live, make the videos live, either once or twice a week, depending on how my work schedule goes. Because I still have a day job. No, I have 2 day jobs. It's busy, it's complicated, and that's why a lot of things don't get done. But at least I get the bills paid, mostly. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.